Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo camera alarm sound configuration. Basically here I have a Tapo solar camera, but it works with different Tapo cameras, okay? So basically here you see that I have the camera working live, and there's this alarm button that I can just press and enable the alarm. So I enable here, but it's not working because I need to enable detection to make it work, right? So I'm gonna show you this later, because first I'm gonna show here on the menu that you can come here on the detection and enable motion in person. And then you can also come here. After enabling, you can just adjust the sensitivity, just right here, for both of them. Here as well, for person, sensitivity here. Then you just adjust this and it starts recording by motion, okay? And then after this motion is going to trigger the alarm, right? If I just enable here, now it's going to trigger the alarm based on the motion that I have there. So if somebody's approaching your camera, for example, you just put there to detect people, and then it's going to trigger the alarm. And here, let me just disable here for a while, otherwise it's gonna start triggering the alarm all the time because I have a lot of motion out there in front of my camera, okay? So I'm gonna disable here, later I'm gonna come back and enable. So let me just come here first to the alarm, enable the alarm here, and here you see the alarm type. I have sound and light, so I can have sound only, light only, or sound and light. Let me just leave it like this, alarm type. So here I have the volume, low, normal, and high. Okay, so default or custom, you can just add the custom sound here as well. You can just tap to record the sound, and you have your sound as an alarm. So super simple. I usually use default here, and there are different options for the default, right? Siren, you can just test here. There we go, emergency. And red alert. Just select the one that you want and you're good to go, right? And also here the event type for motion or for person detection or for both. In here the alarm schedule for all day, during the day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., during the night 8 p.m. to 8 a.m., or a custom schedule if you want to. You can just select here the weekday and also when it starts, when it stops. So super simple. Let me just leave here for all day and I'm good to go. And back here I have motion detection now on for person. You see that's working right now. There we go. And from here I can disable as well. See, every time there's motion, the alarms start working. Right now I have no cars passing by. I'm just turn on one more time and wait. You see, no motion at all, no alarm at all. So if somebody approaches the camera, it's going to trigger the alarm. If a car is passing by there, it's going to trigger the alarm as well. So I hope that helps. That's the way you can have your Tapo camera working with the alarm, right? Just give you a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.